And this stuff does work well for me. I really wonder. Hey everybody, so what project am I working on today? Let me show you. Alright, I'm working on not really staining the benches for our table, but let me show you. To cover scratches and stuff, and as you can see, I guess I should have done a before video. Sorry guys, so all you can see is shiny. Previous owners, as you can see, their dog took a nice little bite out of there, but letting it soak in, then I'll wipe it off, but for now, I got these two benches completely finished. Well, mostly finished. I want to touch up like right in the corners and stuff. But I will show you an example I am working on over here. This side has been done, and this side hasn't. And I am blocking the light, so I can't really tell. Let me see if I can, yeah. I'm gonna have to switch how I'm sitting here. Alright, let me show you guys what we got going on. So that's with me doing it, that's not. And just letting is it to tell, and it'd be probably after hardening, at least from here. There you can see right in there. And now here with it covered. Let me see if you can see it right there, the scratches. Sorry if I'm not entertaining you guys. Just how the lighting is, it's really hard to tell. Again, at least with my looking at my camera screen. Maybe once I upload the video, you can tell a lot better. But we're gonna go to another area. Just pretty much getting what you can see. Maybe, can you tell a difference? Actually, this might work out pretty good. Right there. This might be a good way to show the difference. Alright. So I can't use too much or it will drip. But I want to use enough that it soaks in. On this, oh, you might be right up there. Maybe side in there. And this stuff does work well for me. I really wonder. So if you guys like these videos I do on house projects, definitely hit that like button and let me know. And I'll definitely be sure to do more, because there's never-ending house projects right now since we just bought our place. Well, I guess we didn't just buy it, but we're just getting moved in. Take care, everybody. I'll show you guys after. So for some reason my camera, or at least this camera, doesn't really pick up the floor color or the wood color. So stay tuned for the photos to see how it really looks, because like it looks like a light brown in a way here. But I finished, so I'm just letting it soak. Well, I mean, like some spots could use more stuff, but it's good for now. Check out the